When I want to get my RC on, I go to Crawler Ted's Garage.
All right, CTG Urban Assault 2. It's a crappy day out here and I can't believe the turnout. Look at all the people. Crap load of people. I can't imagine if it would have been nice out. What did we determine for trucks? Like 25 or some crazy number? Because there's some that are going to get beat up at the skate park, I think, right?
20-something.
20-something. We'll take 20-something. We can count them later on the replay.
That's right, folks. The replay.
Woohoo!
Yeah, hey Ted. We should just line up in those spots over there, all against the parking blocks. And then we can see how many we got.
Yeah, no doubt.
Hey, you found your Chevy.
Yeah, how did you know anything about that?
No, where was it? It wasn't in a green one, was it?
A Chevy and a Chevy, I know, tell you what. Yeah, it won't fit. I'm just going to strap it on now. Oh, he did. I knew it. I said if you showed up in shorts, I was going to kick you right in the nuts. I'm not going to tell you how much clothing I have on because I'll feel like a big baby.
Come on, oh, you are a big baby.
Oh, I can't stand this guy.
Oh, man, that's just...
Okay, everybody has to leave half of their clothing here. Pat's wearing shorts and a t-shirt. You guys look like a bunch of babies.
We are.
I know, me too.
We're not from around here.
Yeah, I'm not from around here.
Yeah.
Awesome.
20, 21, 22, 3. How many? About 23, 24? Plus what's on backpacks. I didn't get that far. It's kind of was on the ground.
I think there's a couple more down at the end. Oh no, they made it up now? Nice.
25.
Awesome.
26. 27.
Looks great, man.
About 27-ish. Hi, I'm a newcomer from Quebec.
Yeah, fresh from Quebec.
What would you, everyone?
Yeah, we'll take him from anywhere. We're not fussy here.
Okay.
Oh man, this is crazy. I can't even believe it. This is going to be a blast.
I was excited. Very, very excited.
So first thing we're doing, we're heading for the skate park.
Skate park, and what are we going to do there?
We're probably going to break some stuff.
Are we going boating?
No, they drained the bowl.
I'm gonna break that.
It's going to be all
Terry's
clean.
going to break that.
It's gonna be broken.
Perfect.
Ken's going to break that.
We'll have
I'm
that
going to
on
hopefully
film.
break that. So, yeah.
Oh my
Hey,
God,
I think it's going to, it looks like it's brightening up, no?
Yeah, it is.
Check it out. That's where we're going into the core, downtown. Look at it, fogged in. Kind of a dreary day. Perfect. Away we go.
Yeah, I think we're good. Low,
Oh yeah,
low
it's gonna be
cloud
awesome.
cover. Oh yeah.
Nice.
That was awesome.
That's the problem with open wheel racing, man.
No dick moves on the bridge. That was nuts. That was crazy.
Out here, Urban Assault, downtown Calgary. Number 2 round. Temperature not too bad. We got going here. Just left the parking lot of Princess Island. There's Rude Boys there. SS Louie. New guy, we got Penguin. Upper, we got Amanda Huggetree. Crawler Ted. Damn camera. Just to name a few folks that are out with us tonight. Lyle, what are you supporting there?
Oh! I saw you see that.
That's tight. Side hill in this big trailer. back, I want a milkshake! JD out here, folks. We're out on the beautiful Memorial Drive stretch out here in Calgary. We have, I believe the boys said, about 24 trucks going. We're right at the entrance of the Peace Bridge. You all might remember that from our very first Urban Assault tour downtown. I walked a little bit ahead so I could snap this shot. But this is only the first group of guys that we have. Second group is way back. I'll try and find them. I do see headlights. Let's see, folks. Let's pan in. Oh, there's Pat with shorts, t-shirt. We all see Crawler Ted, SS Louie. A little bit of bashing going on. Out at the Bow River, downtown Calgary. At the entrance of the Peace Bridge. I'm JD reporting for Crawler Ted's Garage on your local YouTube. Thanks for watching.
Here, Jay, I'll show you how to do it two-wheel drive. Nice! Oh, crap.
You just gotta do it in style.
Yeah, baby.
You in this
Oh, her camera is better than mine. Can I swap you cameras?
Oh, it's slippery.
Right there.
I don't think you can throw it. You need to run. You gotta get a little bit of a run at it. There you go.
Oh. Alright, is Doug the last guy?
Well, we still mentioned, nope.
You're bringing up
Terry's jumping it.
Pretty sure? We got a bunch more on the bridge too, so.
Almost. Warn us next time, we'll bring it up to catcher's net.
Okay.
Yeah, we parked up back there at Princess Island, so we went across the bridge, kind of heading over to Millennium, and then we go back over to Winter Plaza.
Penguin.
Together and have some fun.
Yeah, we all do different things in the hobby. You got some local crawlers, some local trail guys, some racers, flyers, all this and that. So we all meet up. Together, stuff like this. One of our guests with the weather, half of it screwed up, so it's pretty awesome.
Dad, you behave yourself.
Want that all? Make us proud.
Okay, let's go up there so I can get some of this in the background.
We'll just follow your lead, eh?
I didn't expect it, eh?
You never know where we pop up. Yeah, no kidding. You're right in here, and then I can be able to see all the
Okay, gotcha.
I love it. Try to have a recorder. Okay. Standing with the eye line and ask your questions there.
Nice place for the other photo.
Double. And Ted, what is going on here today?
Well, you got a bunch of guys, RC enthusiasts, with trail trucks. Go for trail. Trail when they imitate trucks. They're kind of like you think of as jumping in your truck and heading off in the main street or wipers and going trail. So we do the same thing, usually off in the bush and in the trails and stuff, but a while back we decided to do what we call an inner city run, an urban assault even, if you want to call it that. So today, even with the crappy weather, we've got, I don't know, 20, 25 trucks, and we parked at Princess Island. We're going to cross the Peace Bridge. We're heading from Millennium Skate Park, then over to Olympic Plaza, back to Princess Island, and around. I think it's about a 7K loop. So.
And this is something you do often?
Oh yeah, these guys, there's lots of us. Lyle, for example, is out almost every day. I mean, we use a local forum, calgaryrc.com, and guys can get together, local RC addicts, whether it's trail trucks. A lot of us, I also run a crawling club at PM Hobby, so we crawl there on Friday nights, Ted's Garage and the Calgary Crawlers. So there's all different things going on. We got, one guy, he does a lot of flying. There's a drifter in the group here. I've got a couple of drifters in the group, so a little bit of everything. Three clubs here. There's numerous clubs here. Well, yeah, 3 legitimate clubs, but yeah, there's all kinds of, And a lot of us do YouTube videos, for example. So we do video and stuff for YouTube. So, well, that's great. Awesome.
Yeah,
thanks.
love this stuff.